Okay, let's take a look at question 1. Amy bought 6 blouses at the sales. How much money did she pay? So, let's take a look here. So one blouse cost her $12. So she bought 6 blouses. So we will need to times 12 times 6. So this will give me 6 times 2 is 12. Carry the 1, 1 times 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So the answer is 72. Let's take a look at question 2. Okay. Tina was planning a luncheon of $12.90 per person. How much would it cost for 20 people? Okay, so for one person, it costs her $12.90. So the keyword here is per person. How much would it cost for 20 people? So for this, we will need to times 12.90 times 20. Okay, look at the options carefully and make sure you choose times because they want to buy for 20 people. Okay, question 3. There are 250 umbrellas. 5 of them are spoiled. What percentage of the umbrellas are spoiled? Okay, so for this, they want you to express in percentage. So we will look at the smaller number. In this case, the smaller number is 5 because 5 are spoiled. And the bigger number is 250. So how to write it in percentage form? So since 5 are spoiled, it will be 5 divided by 250. Okay. Now next question. How much would you save in buying a $72 watch at 1/3 off? Okay, so here the keyword here is 1/3 off. So first step, look at the denominator. So this question wants you to divide. Okay, so how do we divide? So we can either do this method. Okay, Chilong and Erwin, you will do this method. And Guangjeng, 72 divided by 3. So we list down the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Okay, we will only need 9 multiples. So first step, we cover the 2. Cover the 2, 7. So is there a 7? So if there's no 7, we count backwards. So we choose 6. So minus 6. On top put 2. So 7 minus 6 will give me 1. Carry the 2. 12 minus 12. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 24. Okay. Now the rest of you, okay, you will be doing this method. Okay, divide. So remember, Miss Wei has taught you. So 7, 2. Okay, then we write the divide sign. So divided by 2. So how many ticks must we put? So we need to put 2 ticks. 1, 2. Here, 1, 2. Okay, then next step, we will draw the line. Okay, so now this 7. So we need to draw 7 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and here we need to draw 2 circles. So 1, 2. Okay, so now we will need to circle 2. Okay, so let's circle 1, 1, 2, 2. Oops, what should we do here? This one, since we cannot circle 2, we need to cancel and draw 10. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, next step, we circle 2. Okay, now let's count. In the 7 column we have 1, 2, 3. 2 column we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 36. Okay, now what is the unit cost of 4 kg of prawn? Okay, this question they want you to divide. So we will need to divide. Look at 4 kg. So 4 kg is here 12.40. Okay, so division. Okay, Qilong and Erwin, you will do the long division, and Guangzheng. The rest of you, you will do the UI method, the method that Miss Wei Wei has taught you. So notice there is a decimal point here. So you just ignore the decimal point. 1, 2, 4, and 0 here. So we ignore the decimal point. Divided by 4. So divide by 4. Okay, then we put how many ticks? 4 ticks. Okay, so now next step, we draw the circle. So 1, okay. So next step, let's circle 4. Okay, in this case, can we circle 4? No. Cancel and draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here, okay, now let's circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, we circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, circle. So here we can circle 4. So let's write. So here is 3, here is 1. So here is 0. Okay, next step, we look at the decimal point. So there's a decimal point after the 2 decimal places. So we count 1, 2 and put the decimal point. So the answer is $3.10. Okay, number 6. Alice wanted to buy 8 pens. Each pen cost $1.75. How much did Alice spend? So this question, they want you to, okay, see here, each pen. So one pen costs $1.75. If Alice wants to buy 8 pens, we will need to multiply. So in this case, we have to times. So times 8 times 1.75. Okay, so 8 times 1.75. Okay, so Qilong and Guangzhou, you will do this method times 8. Okay, the rest of you will do the UI method. Okay, UI method again. For this, don't worry. Every time you see the decimal point, don't worry. Ignore the decimal point. So 8 times 175. Okay. So first step, circle the smaller number. Then you split the bigger number. So we have 5 here, 70 and 100. Okay, now we will multiply. So 100 times 8, 70 times 8, and 8 times 5. Okay, so whenever you see the 0, copy the 0, copy the 0. 8 times 1 is 8. Now here, copy the 0. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 5 is 40. So last step, we will need to plus all of it together. So we plus 800 plus 560 plus 40. So 0, 6 plus 4 is 10, 9, so it's 14. Okay, so now next step, we will need to look at the decimal place. So there's 2 decimal place, 1, 2. So we will need to do the same thing, 1, 2, and we put the decimal point. So the answer is $14. So for this, you need to be careful because this is 175. Copy the 5, so 7 becomes 70 and 1 is 100. Okay,